In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a hyperlink in Microsoft Forms. Whether you're creating a simple survey or a more detailed quiz, adding clickable links is a great way to share extra information, resources, or instructions with your respondents. I'll walk you through the options you have and how to use them step by step so you can decide which works best for your form. First, open the form where you want to add your hyperlink. Go to Microsoft Forms in your browser, sign in if you need to, and select the form you're working on. Then open the specific question where you want the link to appear. You can either create a new question or click on an existing one to edit it. Make sure the question is expanded so you can see all the options related to that question. When it comes to adding a hyperlink in Microsoft Forms, you essentially have two main places where you can include it: in the description area of the question or in what are often called subtitles for questions, depending on the layout and options available in your version of Forms. Both approaches let you show a link alongside your question, but they appear slightly differently, so think about what will be clearest for your respondents. The first option is to add your hyperlink in the description. After you've clicked on your question, look for the description or subtitle field right below the main question text. If you don't see it right away, check for a small icon or link that lets you add a description, then click that to reveal the text box. This description area is useful when you want to give more context, like for more details, visit this page, followed by your link. The second option is to use subtitles for your questions, if that's what your version of Microsoft Forms calls it. In many layouts, subtitles are effectively the same as descriptions, extra text that appears under the main question. The idea is the same here. Click into that subtitle or secondary text field and prepare to add your link. This is a good place if you want the question itself to stay short and clean, while the supporting details, including the link, live just underneath. Once you've decided where you want the hyperlink to go, paste the URL into that description or subtitle field. You can copy the link from your browser or document, then click into the text box in Microsoft Forms and paste it. After pasting, check that the entire link is there with no missing characters at the beginning or end. Depending on your version of Microsoft Forms and how your organization's settings are configured, the form may automatically detect the URL and turn it into a clickable hyperlink. If that happens, you'll see it formatted as a link right away. If it doesn't automatically format, don't worry. Many respondents will still be able to click or tap on the URL, even if it shows as plain text, especially if you include the full address starting with HTTP or HTTPS. Before you finish, use the preview option in Microsoft Forms to see how the question looks to your respondents. Check that the hyperlink appears where you expect it, that it's easy to notice, and that clicking it opens the correct page. If something doesn't look right, go back to the question, adjust the text around the link, or repaste the URL. Once you're happy with how it looks and works, your hyperlink is successfully added to your Microsoft form.